Okay, game, you're supposed to be working, but watch. I'll press play, and you're just gonna die.
He's ready. He's setting him up. Batista's going for the kill. He killed him. Batista bomb. One more time, in case you missed it.
See, that's not right.
Verge of victory. The Phenom looking to dismantle him here. What punishment? Tombstone pile driver. The dead man just put the... We got a cover. 2. That's 3. Against all the odds, he's got the victory.
Here is your winner and new World Heavyweight Champion.
Look at you! You're moving around now! Don't ever change. Thanks, coding is cool, guy.
Tulip, can you come down here, please?
And